In this section, we will talk about two basic standard formats, that is SOP and POS. So first, let's see what is the SOP and the POS. SOP means the sum of products. So POS means product of sums. Just don't forget, Boolean addition is a OR gate, multiplication is an AND gate. So for example, sum of products. See, in this example, that is the sum of products. So POS, that means products of sum. Let's look at this example. First, let's look at the truth table. So input is X, Y, Z, and output is X and Z naught or Y. So based on the knowledge we learned before, you know the output looks like this. In the sum of products format, first you need to identify the ones on the output. So in this example, how many ones we have? We have 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 5 ones over here. So first step is find all rows where the output is 1. Then for each row, you need to have an expression. The rule is for each variable, if you see the correspondence value is 0, you write it inverted. That means put a line above it. And if a variable is 1, you just write it as itself. So same as here. For Z variable in this row is 0, so you write it as a line above Z. So similar things to other rows with ones on the output. So you can see this group. And then you need to OR all the products together. So in this example, you have 5 products ORed together. And pay attention, this function is not simplified. Now let's consider POS, product of sums. For product of sums, you need to look at how many zeros on the outputs. In this example, you have 1, 2, 3. So first is find all rows where 0 is the output. Then, how to represent each row? Opposite as SOP. In this case, for a variable, if you see the value is 0, you write it as itself. If you see a value is 1, like this one, you need to write it as inverted. And for each row, all the variables are ORed together. So you can see those 3 rows. Finally, you AND each row. So you can see each row is ORed together. But for all the rows with zeros at output, you AND them together. So that's why it's called a product of sums. Again, you can see all the steps are opposite that of SOP. And also this function is unsimplified.